We're headed to a customer that we painted their house 2 years ago. They called us back and said, hey, we're looking at some window replacement. We understand you do Pella windows. They had windows that were 30 years old. With us putting a Pella window in, you have a company warranty from them, which is from Pella Corporation. It's not even from J.D. Hostetter. You have a local supplier of Pella, and then you also have the corporate Pella to protect your investment in your windows. This is our Pella Lifestyle windows, stained to match the customer interior. So we were able to duplicate the look of the house and the look of the interior from the original Pella windows. We use a stained interior and a pre-finished clad exterior. They're pre-finished in brown on the exterior, so that'll last 40 to 50 years that way, really making it so that the windows really require very little maintenance on the exterior for the life of them. I know they're gonna stand behind the product for a really long time. I feel really comfortable about using those products, the warranty, the service, the availability of product in general, and from the window industry, they're one of the best names in the industry. From beginning to end, we typically take less than a month to install the windows. We're usually in the house for just a couple days. That's including touch-up and finish painting. We try to make this the least invasive to the customer's lifestyle. If you're looking to replace your windows or to upgrade your windows or just make them a little more functional and usable, call J.D. Hostetter & Associates.